Hey, thanks for tuning in. It's Jason with Dad's That Cook. It's happy hour somewhere, right? Exactly. We're gonna make a drink. So today, this drink, all the way from my buddy Mike Perea down in Vegas. He handmade this muddler because we were talking about it. Like, man, I need one of those things. And he sent me one. Can you believe that? Unbelievable. And then I'm sitting around going, what do I have left for booze? And I showed him all the pictures of stuff that I had. He goes, oh, I got it. So he made a drink. He's making it just for Lulu. It's called the Triple Berry Lulu. So here, let's make the Triple Berry Lulu. What do you think? So I'm gonna take these. Just gonna put a couple of berries in, a couple of strawberries.
Yeah.
We got some blackberries. Put a couple blackberries in there.
All right.
A couple of raspberries. We're gonna throw that in there.
All right.
Peppermint. We're gonna muddle.
Oh, muddle.
Yeah, so now we're gonna muddle.
That is one.
Oh man, this is working awesome.
Oh wow.
Look at that.
Wow.
Look at how awesome that is. Look at that muddling. Look at that muddling. Look at it. We're gonna do about a tablespoon or so of some simple syrup, ounce and a half of some vodka. All right, there's the lime. And I'm gonna throw a couple cubes in there just so I can shake it up, get it cold. Shaky, shaky, shaky.
See those shaky skills. Woo! Whoa! Look at those muscles.
Yeah.
Shaky, shaky. The Triple Berry Lulu. All right,
All right.
here we go. Cheers.
Vegas, baby. Mmm.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Oh, that's so refreshing.
Isn't it?
That's like a little summer cocktail.
Mmm.
And it is almost summer.
Yeah, summer, spring cocktails. What he said. It's like summer, spring. It's like ready to roll.
Right.
I know, girlfriend.
Wow.
The Triple Berry Lulu.
Wow.
Anyway, we'll see you guys next time on Dad's That Cook.
Love you all.
All right, we'll see you guys.
Cheers. Ciao, ciao.
Bye-bye. Hey, thanks for watching. You like our videos? Well, then do me a favor and subscribe because then we can update you on what's going on. You'll also know when we're giving away really cool stuff, which happens all the time. So make sure you subscribe and we'll be in touch.